What is replacement cost? Replacement cost value, or RCV, is the cost to replace something as new or in equal value. Having replacement cost coverage reimburses you after experiencing a total loss to rebuild or repair what was damaged. The reimbursement you receive is based on the value initially deemed by the insurance provider. Replacement cost does not factor in things like depreciation or wear and tear over time. You're only paid back based on the determined value of the dwelling or personal property. For example, if your home's rebuild cost was estimated at $300,000, that's how much you would receive after experiencing a total loss. Keep in mind, replacement cost is different from actual cash value, which takes into account multiple factors like depreciation, land value, location, and more. If you'd like to learn more about the difference between replacement cost coverage and actual cash value, check out the article linked in the description of this video.